Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the gift card amount and that the region matches your account. This avoids blocked redemption. Sign into your Microsoft account on the Xbox or web. Once signed in, go to Redeem Code and carefully type the 25-character code, no spaces. Confirm the entry and watch for an on-screen success message. This step converts the physical or digital voucher into account credit, which is necessary to purchase or renew Game Pass. Once the credit is in your account, you choose the Game Pass plan that fits, console, PC, or Ultimate, because billing differs by plan. On the Xbox Store or subscription page, select the plan and go to Payment Options. Make sure to pick your Microsoft account balance as the funding source, otherwise it will try a saved card. Confirm the subscription purchase or renewal. This applies the redeemed funds directly to Game Pass, so you get immediate access to the library. To finish, verify your new Game Pass under My Subscriptions and confirm the billing cycle and start date. If the balance didn't apply, make sure the code was redeemed to the same Microsoft account and the account region matches the card. Duplicate redemption is not allowed. If you still see an error, locate the transaction ID from redemption history and contact Xbox support. They can trace failed redemptions and restore funds. This protects you and resolves edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.